In this time-sensitive video, we will look at how to redeem your Element voucher tokens or license refund, and more importantly, how to redeem actual vouchers and use them. Coming right up! Before going into the tutorial, I would like to present my Patreon page. You can buy me a coffee or support me in a big way. This will help me make more and better content, and for this you get from exclusive updates on my work, shoutouts, to early release videos with no ads and other things. Check the link in the description of the video. So if you have an eligible Aware Element sensor that was part of the PlanetWatch network, you can redeem sensor vouchers or request full license refund for each sensor that you own. But here is the urgent matter. You can access the compensation plan only until 30th of June. PlanetWatch has been giving us quite some time to do this, and I already posted an update, but since we are going to talk about vouchers, I will include also this step. Since accessing the compensation plan involves accessing your MyAlgo account, we already know from my previous tutorials that we need to use the same device and the same browser that you used when we created our MyAlgo account. So go to explorer.planetwatch.io and log in using your mobile app credentials. In this updated interface, we need to click on the menu button in the top left corner and select My Sensors. Here, look for your Aware Element ones. They all have this particular icon, and click on one of them. Once you do, you will be greeted by this pop-up. Here you can redeem voucher credits, 300 of them, or full license refund. If you want the license refund, click on that button and then click on Select Algo Wallet and then connect your wallet. A new pop-up will appear that will ask you for your MyAlgo password. Then click on Connect and select the desired wallet from your account. You will have to check the Agree terms and click on Confirm. You will be asked one more time to input your MyAlgo password for asset confirmation, and that's it. Your final window will notify you when you will receive the planets corresponding to your license. If you want to know how to sell planets and even how to withdraw in your bank account that amount, check my TinyMan tutorial, link in the top right corner and in the description below. Going back to the compensation options, I will go with voucher credits. The steps are similar. Select Algo Wallet, connect your wallet, MyAlgo password, connect, select that wallet, agree to the terms, confirm, authorize the opt-in asset, and that's it. For that Aware Element, you get 300 PW credit tokens and also the right to add a new sensor. So according to the 5 limit rule, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my video on that, link in the top right corner and the description below. We are allowed to own as many sensors as we already have, but not more if we already had more than 5. If you choose the voucher options besides the token, we are allowed to own another sensor in its place. So if you had, let's say, 3 Aware Elements and you chose the voucher options on all 3, you also have the right to buy and use 3 new sensor licenses on your account, regardless of how many sensors you already have. But how do you know which sensor you already exercised the compensation option on? Well, those have the name on the sensors grayed out. And one more thing, if you see an error during the redeem process, make sure to have pop-ups enabled in the browser, use Chrome if you can, make sure that your PlanetWatch account has been KYC'd, and that you have at least one algo in that destination wallet in order for the redeeming blockchain transactions to work. Now most of you are probably asking about the PW credit value and if they are the option to choose. You can sell them on TinyMan, but their exchange rate is incredibly low at the moment of the recording. And we'll wait for better rates since they will expire next year in May, so there is plenty of time for that. Now, while selling them at their current exchange rate is not great, buying and using them is quite the opposite. So how can we redeem vouchers and how much will they cost? Well, we get $100 or 95 euros for 100 PW credit tokens. So basically you get $300 worth of vouchers per element, which ones you desire. To do that in the PlanetWatch Explorer, still logged in, click on the menu and under Marketplace, the voucher options. Here is an important piece of information. While the sensor voucher is universal, the licensed ones are separate. The 95 euros is for PlanetWatchers in Europe that use the PlanetWatch.io website, and the $100 one is for the PlanetWatchers outside of Europe which use the PlanetWatch.us website. So select the amount of vouchers you want to purchase. 20 is the limit for one order, but if you want to buy more, you just need to make more orders. And click on Add to Cart. Agree to the terms and confirm. Close that pop-up, and here is a tricky thing. If you don't see the Go to Cart button, scroll down until you see it. In the cart page, scroll again to the bottom until you see the total and the Order Now button. Click on it and connect your MyAlgo account. Select the wallet where you have the PW credit tokens. Close the pop-up and you will land in the confirmation page. In order to use these vouchers, we need to activate them on the e-commerce website. To do that, we will start again in the PlanetWatch Explorer. You can access it in the confirmation page of the voucher purchase in the My Vouchers tab, or click on the menu button and then on My Vouchers. Here you will need to copy the voucher code. The next step depends on your location. I'm in Europe, so I will use PlanetWatch.io website, but the steps are identical for the .us one. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and log in your PlanetWatch e-commerce account. Here, select the Wallet tab. You can see here the already redeemed vouchers value. To redeem one, click on View Dashboard, Discount Vouchers. Here, paste the code and click on the Redeem button. You will see now the new wallet balance. Here is another important piece of information. If you want to renew licenses using the vouchers, please wait for PlanetWatch to enable that. Renewing licenses will be a different product than the normal license one. Stay tuned as I will make a tutorial on that as soon as it is out. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Until next time, see ya!